Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Dee and welcome to another episode of the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. We are back to decluttering. Decluttering 30 drawers in 30 days. Continues on. How are you doing in your drawers? I'm sorry, it's still funny. If you have not been watching, I think I'm up to my 8th drawer as of last Tuesday. Every Tuesday I'm uploading along with my dear friend Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life. She is doing this 30 drawers in 30 days. Jump over to her channel, check out her decluttering, as well as all of the participants in this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. That is an open collab hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. So go check out her channel as well. We're going to continue on with one more drawer in my kitchen, and then we'll see where it takes us. Shall we? That was so dorky. But anyways, I hope you're doing well in your decluttering. So let's go. All right, last kitchen drawer is this. And this is where we keep like smaller extension cords. I'm always going in here during Christmas time. So let me take everything out and then we'll see. We'll see how many I keep. Yeah, okay. All right, I just saved a lot of time by not filming me redoing these. So I have all of those and I have all of this. But most importantly, I'm gonna go ahead and use my handy dandy little hand vacuum and vacuum this out, wipe it out before I put things back. Really not too sure about all this, to tell you the truth. Isn't that funny when usually the females who end up doing the decluttering, when they get to electronics, cords, it's like, where's the husband, right? Or, I mean, if you're married, you're like, okay, I'm guessing this is probably to one of the rotisseries. Not too sure. Ooh, this is heavy. Not too sure exactly what that's about. So, I need to ask about that. This is garbage. This, oh, that's interesting. That's like antique. I was going to say old school, but I think this might be more than old school. It might be just antique. Yeah, something? That's crazy. Oh, the 70s. Remember that movie, The Christmas Story, where the father like has like 8 cords and then he has connectors all the way from the Christmas tree to the wall and he jiggles it when the light goes off? Yeah. That's interesting. Okay, this is garbage, so that can be all in that little pile right here. Please probably go with that. I know this is a dimmer. And I know exactly which light I want. There's a light I have near my side of the couch. I would like to put a dimmer there. So I got to check out and see if this works or not. So that can be actually relocated. This one, I'm guessing this probably goes with the rotisserie situation over here. We'll have to ask when hubby gets home on that one. And again, wow, this is like so old school. I'm guessing this like hung out. I don't know. This reminds me of the drive-in, you know, the thing that you put on your car. Okay, I just probably dated myself just now. How many of you went to the drive-ins? Put it in the comments down below. Let's have some fun, shall we? Okay, so I'm guessing rotisserie thingy-bajiggy. I'm not too sure, so I'm going to go ahead and ask the hubby on that one. This one, I don't know either. It's an updated drive-in speaker. No, I'm just kidding. It's obviously kind of the same thing, the same concept, so I'm not too sure exactly what that goes to. And this is kind of like I was just explaining on the Christmas Story movie. So, okay, so it's like an not an adapter, but this one is still trippy. Okay, so I have those. I know what that's for. This is going to be relocated. That's my dimmer. These, I'm just going to have to ask the hubby if I can toss those out. I mean, not toss them. I don't know what to do with those if he says we don't need it. If he says we don't need it, then I don't know. I have to figure that one out. Probably dispose of it somehow in the electrical waste, okay? This right here is garbage. So garbage, ask hubby when he gets home, relocated, and then all of this goes back into our wipe down drawer here. Okay, that looks better. Then all of this can probably most likely go bye-bye. Even if these are too rotisserie, they shouldn't be in that drawer. So it will either be in the e-waste, the electrical waste, or it's going to be relocated if Jay really needs that. Garbage, relocation. Good morning. I just got done having my coffee. And it's time to declutter something upstairs. All right, we're in our master bedroom, bathroom. This drawer right here is mine, and I'm ready to brush my teeth. And I opened it up and I thought, okay, this is a drawer that needs to be attacked now. This is my hot spot every morning. Everyone has like a hot spot in your house, you know, decluttering. That things just, you know. This is my every day, every morning I use something, or at night I use something. I have to, it's time to see what needs to go, I think. So let's go ahead and take everything out. Alrighty, this looks much better. I have all my contacts, but I do want to find like 2 little tubs. That way, one is for the left eye, the other tub is for a right eye, instead of trying to figure that out every single morning. Make life a little easier for myself. So I'm on the hunt for 2 little small tubs for the left eye, the right eye. I have all of my like makeup stuff that I use every morning, and then I have all of my little facial creams I like to use in the morning and at night. I'm trying to use up the little samples that they give you, so I'm trying to use all of those up. I have all of my dental stuff like that. Back here is like, oops, sorry. Back here is like facial mask, my arm deodorant spray. So that looks better. Oh, and yeah, my little eye drops. So a little organized for me to start my day. And this right here, I don't need this anymore. I don't know why I'm keeping that in there. It's for travel, but really I have a new one. This is getting dull. So, oh, here's a new one. I could probably just get rid of the package. A little facial razor. And then I could probably take this little refillable, take that out of the package. That way all of that can just go into the garbage. There we go. Alright, next on my channel we are going to be decluttering all of these drawers and purge some of this that just needs to be done. Give you guys a teaser. What? Yes, people, this is the sock drawer we need to attack. Soon, we'll get to it. But since it's tiny tidy, I wanted to make sure that to give you some motivation. Yeah, you who's watching this right now, get a drawer and let's declutter. Purge what you can. Make it part of your tiny tidy today. I will be back to attack you. One drawer at a time. One drawer at a time.